friends, today for phonics we will be looking carefully at letters. So for our objectives, we will look carefully at letters so that I can sort letters based on their attributes or the way they look. So we're going to look closely at letters and we're going to sort them based on the way that they look. So I'm going to use my little magnetic letters to show you guys some examples and talk about the letters, and then you guys are going to get to try it on your own and upload a picture as your work today. So as you can see on my board, I have different letters. They're all kind of random. I just picked them out from my letter set. I'll go through the names of the letters really quick. B, M, S, I, T, N, O, C, H, D, A, P, and R. And the first two letters I want to look at are right here. So let's pull down this letter first. This is the letter P. And since we're looking carefully at letters today, I'm going to look carefully at this letter P and see what I notice. If I trace this letter with my finger, I notice that the letter P has a long stick and a big round circle. A long stick and a big round circle. So when I look carefully at the letter P, I notice the big long stick is the main thing that I notice, and then a big circle. I'm going to pull down another letter and see what I notice about this letter. This is the letter R. When I look carefully at the letter R, I notice that it has a little short stick and a little tiny rainbow looking part, a little hump, okay? When I look at these letters together, they both have some type of straight part or a stick, but the P stick is longer and the R stick is shorter. And these letters I know are different because a P has a whole round circle or big round part that connects, and the R just has kind of a little part that comes out, but it doesn't go all the way around. So when we're looking at the letters in the alphabet, here's some more at the top of my board. Every letter is different. There's something about each letter that makes it unique. So what you're going to do today is take a minute after you watch this video, look at the letters at the top of my board, and if you need to pause this video to keep the letters on the screen, you can. And I want you to tell someone that's at home with you, or just think in your head if you're by yourself, what do you notice about each of these letters? How are they the same? How are they different? And then for your assignment, you guys are actually going to get to sort letters based on the way that they look.